Absolutely. How much more difficult is it to arrive at a consensus on a global platform such as this in today's world, given that, we had at the time of the Delhi Declaration, the Middle East crisis was not there, the world literally standing divided. Is it far more challenging in today's world to arrive at a consensus in that context?
So there are many challenges. First and foremost, we must understand there is a global challenge of a crisis in the heart of Europe. There is a raging war for over 3 years now in the heart of Europe. We should also be very clear that World War I was fought in Europe, the World War II was fought in Europe, and we have this war going on for 3.5 years. You have a huge humanitarian crisis in the Middle East. More people have died in the Middle East in 1 year than what they've died in the Russia-Ukraine crisis over 3.5 years. So you have a Middle East crisis. And then you have a challenge now in Syria. So you have all these challenges.
Right.
Secondly, you have a very major challenge in terms of global value chains having broken. So you've seen United States putting 100% duty on Chinese automobiles, 50% duty on batteries, etc. And Europe has also moved forward and put a 45% duty on imports from China on automobiles. And this duty is being put because they say that China is overproducing for the world and is supported, their production is based on support by the government subsidizes their production, and therefore they're producing below market costs. And what you will see is more trade wars. So that is the second crisis. And the third crisis, to my mind, is the crisis of new productive forces of artificial intelligence, generative AI, quantum computing. These have the opportunity to enhance production, productivity, transform lives of citizens in education, health, nutrition, many areas. But they also have the potential to trigger conflict among societies. And therefore you need international regulation so that they can grow in a manner that these new technologies benefit humanity and benefit society.